toolbox is out. That means we're getting some work done. We are gonna start changing the battery out. There's the battery. We believe it's kind of small because it sounds like it's having some kind of power issues or starting issues. In what way is this feels like it doesn't have enough power. So we've got a new battery and we're gonna see if that will fix it. Got a size 10 socket and a ratchet. Disconnect the battery. Just like that. And then also the negative. So we don't know what the life of this Porsche was.
Outside, that's what it was.
Or where the life of this Porsche was. What we know is that it's got some issues. Check that out. Is that made in Germany?
The rat came from Germany.
I think.
I would use gloves for this. That's disgusting.
Oh, bro. This might be the evap leak.
That is the evap leak.
What do you want to do with it?
Find the culprit.
What do you want to do with it?
I'll just throw him in the fire pit. That's disgusting.
We'll let the nature take care of it. Now we can go on putting the battery in. This is a Duralast Gold battery. Cold cranking amps at 0 degrees Fahrenheit is 730. Cranking amps at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 910. Reserve capacity of 115. The old battery was cold cranking amps at 730. Cranking amps at 900. This one, the Duralast, is 910. And that battery is about 3 years old. It's May of 2019. This is a brand new battery with 12/21, December of year 2021. So we're gonna hook this up, see how it goes. See some pliers. Size 10 socket. And that's how you change the battery on a 2000 Porsche 911 996.